Alright, so here we got my Ford Fusion sitting on 22s. 22 by 9s to be exact, wrapped in 245/30 22s at all four corners, square stance. I originally wanted to do 20s and coilovers, but ended up choosing 22s. I think it came out pretty good. Let me know what you think. I'll give you a quick little walk around here, a little slide profile, and a couple roll-in shots. I ended up getting them from Audio City in La Puente, AudioCityUSA.com. Bobby and Ben are the guys up there to ask for, so check them out. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Again, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.